Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair a new device online. But first I wanted to mention that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then click on the settings, which is at the top of the screen. Then click on the account option, and then you can see the pair a new device option. Click on that. So how do I log in? So when logging into line with your smartphone's unlock method for the first time, first start line for iPad or line for PC, enter the phone number registered to your line account and select login with smartphone. Select show verification code, start the smartphone version of line, then select the home tab, after that settings, after that account, and after that pair a new device. Enter the 6-digit verification code that appears online for iPad or line for PC into your smartphone. Use your smartphone's unlock method when prompted to do so. So yes, these are the steps how you can pair a new device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.